Hello friends, welcome to Zerosack Networks Private Limited Learning Center. I am Ricky, your instructor. In this video we are going to learn about Introduction to AdWords. So let's get started to learn AdWords basics.
What is AdWords? AdWords is an online advertising service developed by Google in year 2000. In AdWords, advertisers pay to display ads, product listings, and video content within the Google Ad networks to web users. User can advertise their product and services on AdWords. AdWords is all-in-one platform to give you all analytics data about your ads. Your ad can appear when someone searches for terms related to your product or service. AdWords provide the variety of ads type like search ads, mostly appear in SERP, display ads, video ads, app ads, shopping ads. We will discuss briefly about all type of ads type in further chapters. Now let's talk about AdWords campaign types. Here are the demonstration of AdWords ads type. You can see here when I type buy shoe online, the ads appear in search result as shopping ads and search ads. Now let's talk about AdWords display ads campaign. Here you can see when I visit my website's article here ads appearing in form of image and text type. That type of ads sometime called contextual ads. Now let's talk about AdWords video ads campaign. Here you can see when I visit YouTube homepage there are some video ads are running there. Now let's talk about types of advertisement, and difference between them. Online marketing versus traditional advertising. Online marketing provide more analytics data about your ads. For example, geographic location of ad, number of users shown to ads, number of conversion made, how many views your ad got, and many more reports. But in traditional marketing like TVC, TV commercials, print media, newspaper, magazine, banner etc. could not give you analytics data like online marketing. Online marketing doesn't require a minimum budget. You decide how much you're comfortable spending and set your budget accordingly. This makes online advertising accessible to businesses with limited advertising budgets. But in traditional you need to pay some of fixed amount that decided by advertising agencies. In online marketing you can control your daily or hourly budget. But somewhat can't control your daily or hourly budget in traditional marketing. In online marketing you can reach to more people in more places to all over the world in single click. But in traditional marketing it's very difficult to advertise all over the world. In online marketing you can set goals to your ads. By creating call, click, and reach to official website, campaign. But can't set goals in traditional marketing. In online marketing you don't need any team to manage online ads, you can work your own. But in traditional advertising you need your marketing team to manage your campaigns. Here are some examples of traditional marketing ads. TV commercials, print media, newspaper and magazine, banners and hoardings, and FM/AM radio. Now let's talk about why online marketing required, and requirements of online marketing. Online marketing requirements. Today's world is rapidly growing in internet world, so you need to put your business online if you want your business unique one out. You can use online marketing to reach people to your business website. But one question: is your website is well designed to encourage people to reach to you and do business with you? Before going to advertise online, you need well-designed website to attract the user to do some engagement with your business. For this, your website must follow these key points. Now let's talk about different type of aspects about websites for online marketing. Your website should have quality content like eye-catching heading and titles. Your website should fast enough to load in mobile less than 4 seconds. Use some rich media content like images and videos of your service or products. But too much media can cause your site to load slowly. Use proper structured website to make user not confusing to navigate in website. Add some call to action section like buy now, call us, mail us and more, so user can make some queries about your service and products. Put contact information in your website like phone number, office address, email address and more. Add About Us section in your website to aware users about your company history and achievements. That's it for today. In the next chapter we will talk about how to create AdWords account. Till then, be happy and safe. Please share and subscribe our channel to support our work.